2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, compass, leather package, trip computer, leather. Your new ride is just a phone call away.